Hello children, welcome to Trinity Academy Metric High Secondary School. I am Day Mahalakshmi, your social teacher. Today we are going to see a new topic, our beautiful country. Which is our country? Yes, India. We are going to see Unit 4, our beautiful country. India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. It has many landforms. Some places have mountains, while others have flat lands. Some places the land is made up of rocks and some are covered with sand. Let us see about these diverse landforms. Next, we can move on to hills and mountains. A high land with a round top is called a hill. A high land with a round top is called a hill. The Vindhya Ranges and Nilgiri Hills in South India are examples. Very high hills with sharp tops are called mountains. Very high hills with sharp tops are called mountains. The Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the north. There are many peaks in these mountains. Most of them remain covered with snow. In the mountain regions, it is cold throughout the year. Next, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayan mountain ranges. Many rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra originate in these mountains and flow down to the plains. These rivers are formed by melting snow. Next, plains. Flat and level land is called a plain. In the plains, summers are hot and winters are cold. Rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna flow through these plains. These rivers had made the soil fertile. As a result, many crops are grown here. There is a narrow stripe of flat land along the eastern and the western coast of India. It is known as Eastern Coastal Plain and the Western Coastal Plain. These plains meet at Kanyakumari. Rivers such as Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through these plains and fall into sea. The coastal areas are neither very hot nor very cold. Next, plateaus. A high land with steep sides and a flat top is called a plateau. The southern part of India is a plateau. The southern plateau is called the Deccan Plateau. It covers the largest area of our country. The region is surrounded by hill ranges on three sides. It has an uneven surface. The land is hard and rocky. It is less fertile than the plains. There are many rivers in the Deccan Plateau. They depend on the rain for water. Some parts of plateau are covered with thick forest. The southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. This type of land is called a peninsula. Next we can move on to desert. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. The northwestern part of India lies the Indian desert, also called the Thar desert. It gets very little rainfall. Very few plants and trees grow here. Next, islands. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. There are two groups of islands in our country. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie on the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands lie on the western side in the Arabian Sea. Next, we can move on to recap. India has landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, desert and islands. The Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the north. The great Indian plains are very fertile. The land in the southern plateau is hard and rocky. A large part of Rajasthan is a desert. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the two islands groups in our country. I hope you all would have understood the given topic. I will meet you in the next session with a new topic. Thank you.